This one is for the cowboy and the family. Or you went to Montana for Christmas. I'm sure you've all been. So I'm just going to fill it with, I looked around, I thought, what can I fill it with? Basically weeds that my horse would eat for a manly kind of Christmas. So again, focal point, focal point, focal point. There it is. And you know, a little rhinestone cowboy. A little rhinestone in every cowboy I've ever met. There I'm at so far. Set your focal point and surround it. So I just picked this one because I thought even cowboys need a Christmas. And I'm a horse guy, so I thought, well, you'd probably find this at my house. All flower arrangements are one-sided or all around. You need to know that. This is a one-sided. And all I did was do a focal point, and I'm just trimming it out. Getting my lower deck, upper deck, and penthouse. In case John Wayne does come for Christmas. You're all set. How long did this one take me? 3 minutes. It's all about positioning and balance. Not too much, not too little, nope. The right thing in the right spot. Here we go. And of course it comes, yes, with practice. I've done 30 million of this design probably in my life. If you want to be a good flower designer, you should look at images of great flower arrangement. It enters into the dictionary of your head. If I asked you to draw an automobile and you had never seen an automobile, what would you draw? Who knows? But if I tell you to do a beautiful flower arrangement, you stared at beautiful flower arrangement for a long time, it'll come out your fingertips. Right? It's like anything. If you know what it's supposed to look like, you can probably do it. So I always tell my students that go home and stare at beautiful images all night long. There, we needed this. Finish it off.